Personal injury claims is a generic term that refers to individuals who've been involved in an accident and suffered a physical injury. The government introduced legislation in 2010 to enable these claims of a relatively modest value, usually up to £25,000, to be dealt with quickly, efficiently and at very low cost. The way they did this was to introduce a portal for physical injury claims. The portal is the system developed by the government to enable those who've suffered physical injury as a result of a road traffic accident to put their claim to the insurer of the responsible party. The portal process is divided into three distinct stages. The first stage is to acquire all of the relevant information regarding the accidents and the circumstances, populate a standardised form and upload that into the portal. Once that's been complete, the insurer will have a certain time period within which to respond. They have essentially two options: to either accept responsibility for the happening of the accident or deny responsibility. Stage 2, again, is a straightforward process that involves the acquisition of medical evidence and the documentary evidence in support of any financial losses. Once all of this information has been acquired, it's collated and again it's uploaded onto the portal, whereby the insurer will examine the documents and make an offer on the basis of the documents supplied. If we cannot reach an agreement or settlement with the insurer, we then move on to stage 3. Stage 3 has two elements. The first being that we can issue court proceedings and we can supply all of the documentation to the court, whereupon a district judge will review all of the paperwork and make a decision in terms of the value of your claim. However, in order to ensure that you get the maximum amount of compensation, we prefer to ask the court to list the case for an oral hearing to ensure that we can send along expert representation to argue your case hard and fight for the maximum amount of compensation.